In this video, I will show you how to fix mobile views on Shopify. Open the Shopify admin website on the browser of your computer. Click on the online store on the left side of the screen. Now go to Themes here. Here you can view the themes. Click on the three dots shown here. Choose the option Edit Code. After that, you will see different options on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and choose Assets. Now you can choose to add new assets, but it will also show you different assets. On the other tab, open the Community Shopify website. Scroll down and it will show you step-by-step instructions for the process. It will also guide you about which assets you have to use. After that, you can choose that asset. On the Shopify community, it will also provide you with the code. You can copy the code and use it in your assets. Check out the link given in the description to create your accounts on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.